This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Monday, the 24th of July. I'm James Spann. Good news, heat levels come down a little bit this week, and the coverage of showers and storms should uptick a little bit. Let's check things out this morning. This is the water vapor satellite view. And the upper high that's been responsible for the hot weather shifting a little to the west, and there's a trough developing over the eastern U.S., and an outflow boundary from the north producing some showers and storms early this morning. That was the radar at 5:09. Number of showers and storms over the northern third of the state, at a few below Tuscaloosa. Check out the temperatures. Pretty muggy. We've got 70s on the board. These are highs today, forecast highs coming from the National Digital Forecast Database from the Weather Service offices. And you can see those numbers are actually below average for late July, with only upper 80s to near 90 in most spots across the state today. And the good news around the nation, most all the heat advisories are long gone. Flash flood watches for parts of the western states. We note a marginal risk of severe weather just north of here today for parts of Arkansas and Tennessee. Tomorrow, severe storms possible way up north. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, again, severe weather possible for cities like Milwaukee, Chicago, Des Moines. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. I'd say amounts for most spots between 1 and 2 inches. And, of course, you know what I'll say here. Distribution will be very uneven in summer with these scattered storms. Tropical weather just quiet as a mouse in the Atlantic basin. Nothing in the short term, nothing in the medium term. And here's the deal. There's all that dust coming off the African deserts kind of squelching things. And as long as that dry air stays in place, the tropics will stay pretty quiet. But remember, we're not to the peak of the season. The peak of the season comes typically in August and September. All right, model fans, there we go. The GFS, the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock, troughing moving into the northeastern states. Heights are down. We'll see scattered showers and storms, obviously, today with some in progress now. Curiously, the high-res HER not showing much for the northern half of the state. It's got the bulk of the activity for South Alabama. And again, you can see with the precipitable water, drier air tries to nose into the at least the northeastern part of the state. But we'll mention scattered showers and storms, but it could be the most active ones today, this afternoon at least, would be along and south of Interstate 20, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, south. Tomorrow, again, fairly moist air mass scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms. Temperatures below average. The GFS is showing 89. The NAM is showing a high of only 86 tomorrow for Birmingham. Wednesday looks a little drier. The heat levels tick up a little bit with low 90s most likely coming back. Storms becoming more widely spaced. And this is Thursday. That looks fairly typical for summer. Partly sunny, hot, humid, maybe a storm in spots in the afternoon. The high, I'd say low 90s. Friday, moisture tends to be a little deeper. Looks like a surface boundary approaching from the north. Saturday, that boundary near the Tennessee border. And again, we'll have probably a number of showers and storms around. And the GFS suggesting highs only in the mid to upper 80s. And then Sunday, dry air tries to slip in here as a surface low is east of the state. So if this verifies of the 2 days over the weekend, the better chance of scattered showers and storms would clearly be on Saturday. And then Monday, you can see the troughing over the southeastern states. No ridge, no upper high, but a little trough. And again, moisture may be coming back for a few scattered showers and storms. This is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday of next week, August the 2nd. Heights are up a little bit, and that suggests pretty typical summertime weather. But if you look at this outlook, this is coming from the CPC, Climate Prediction Center. This is the 8 to 14-day outlook for July 31st through August 6th. Look at all the blue, suggesting temperatures below average around here. Nobody fussing with that. But understand, it's always hot and humid in July and August. That just means the heat level's not as bad as it could be. But look at the numbers coming off the European ensemble. It's got us back in the low 90s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But after that, it's suggesting a whole lot of upper 80s for the first half of August, and that is considerably below average. And if that verifies, we'll sure take that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.